Hello friends, welcome to Rishika's USA Diaries. Today I will show you how to install ink in the Canon printer. So here I have Canon MG6620 printer. So first we will turn on the printer and see the ink level. So press this on button. So here you will get the setup options. So scroll to the left, select the setup, scroll all the way down and click estimated ink levels, display the current estimated ink levels. So as you can see here, out of 5, 3 of my inks are out. Here you will get the ink number button, click on that, so you will get the ink numbers which you can buy. So let's open the printer and see how to install the new ink. So first open this panel, lift this section with your finger and lower this panel. So as you can see, the for 3 inks red light is blinking, so we have to replace these inks. So today I am using Office World Enjoy Quality Printing ink. So I got this from Amazon. It is for $18 and this ink works with Canon MG6620. So let's see, we'll open the package and see the inks. So before opening a packet, so always keep a tissue with you, because sometimes the ink might go outside and it will ruin your carpet or the table. So always use a tissue. Let's open a packet. So inside the packet we have 3 magenta, 3 black, 6 XL black, 3 cyan and 3 yellow inks. So first we will replace black ink. So this is the one which I got in the package. It is of the same size. So first we will remove the old ink. So you just have to press this button here and it will come out. So both are of the same size. So first we have to remove this orange cap. So you just have to press from here and it came out. So now we will install the new one. So just put it here and press. So the ink is installed. Now it is not blinking. So similarly we will replace the other ink. So all inks are installed now. Let's go back and see the ink level. So as you can see, the 3 ink levels are full now. So let's try to print the document now. First we will load the paper. So open the paper tray, pull towards you, place the paper in the tray and push. So before printing, open the output tray. Now we will give the print command. So print is coming from the output tray here. So the print is ready.